Chilka is considered to be the largest lagoon in the India. It is the largest winter ground for migratory waterfowl found anywhere on the Indian subcontinent. Flamingos come to Chilka during late winter. It is very difficult to capture a video from the boat, but the scenario is so beautiful because of this large bird, the greater flamingos. Flamingos get their pink color from their food. Flamingos really are what they eat. Many plants produce natural red, yellow or orange pigment called carotenoids. Carotenoids give carrots their orange color or turn ripe tomatoes red. They are also found in the microscopic algae that brine shrimp eat. As a flamingo dines on algae and brine shrimp, its body metabolizes the pigments, turning its feathers pink. Flamingos are filter feeders and turn their heads upside down to eat. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Flamingos are typically found in shallow saltwater or brackish water, but some flamingo species breed and raise their young in extremely salty bodies of water called alkaline. Thank you for watching. Please share this video.